Hello and welcome to my channel. These are Todoroki inspired nails from My Hero Academia. I hope you enjoyed the tutorial. Now we're going to start off with the middle nail. Now I took a toothpick and black acrylic paint. If you have a nail art brush tiny enough to do this, go ahead and use that. I don't, so I used a toothpick. And what I did was I drew lightning bolt-like zigzags down the nail. Now, these lines may look rough right now, but trust me, they're just an outline. They'll be covered in polish really soon. Now, with whatever bright red you have, paint loosely around the right side of your nail. Like I said, those lines, there was no point in making them perfect. They got covered in nail polish anyway. Then you're going to do the same thing with your white. And it's very messy, apparently. Once that is completely dry, you can go over that line once again, except this time it's for real, so try and make it look pretty. You can see my lines aren't completely straight, but I tried. Once those lines are to your liking, you could fill in the gaps with some nail polish and a cleanup brush. Let's move on to the thumb. I first started with a thin layer of a jelly teal polish. Then I took some iridescent loose glitter and I lightly sprinkled it over the still wet polish with a fan brush. You don't want to let it pile on, you want it to be dispersed really well and look really pretty. You're then going to go over the nail again with that same teal, except this time use thick coats to really cover the glitter. Now take the skinny side of a makeup sponge and brush a glitter top coat onto it. Dab it onto the tip of the nail, caking the tip with glitter. Now, take the glitter top coat and with a light hand, drag it down the nail. You want it heavy at the top but more dispersed at the bottom. Now, you could repeat the sponging step to create more of a glitter gradient and cake up the tip of the nail. And guess what? You're going to do the same exact thing with your pinky except with gold glitter and red nail polish. Now, for the index finger, we're going to start out with this pretty light blue base. Once the base is completely dry, take a makeup sponge and put the base color and the other blue we used on the top. Now, unlike me, I want you to lightly dab the two colors onto your nail. This should be a gradient, but it shouldn't be as blended as most gradients. While that dries, you're going to do the exact same thing on your ring finger, except this time you're going to use gold as a base, and you're going to make your gradient red and gold. Now you're going to watch me struggle to put pendants of the opposite theme on each nail. For example, the theme of fire is red and gold, but you're going to put the gold on the blue side and the silver on the red side. Now, what do you think? Did I nail it or did I fail it? The music is in the description. Thank you so much for watching, and please like and subscribe. This is my very first YouTube video.